Good day everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to download Landsat Imagery with Global Mapper Pro. I'm going to show you step by step how to access satellite image through Global Mapper and download it easily. So let's get started. So the first thing to do is to prepare your study area. For example, I want to download satellite image for this area called Gwagwalada. So the easiest way is to convert it to KML and open it in Global Mapper so that I can use it to download satellite image. To do that, I'll just come to Act Toolbox, come to Conversion Tools, and then come to KML. I'll expand it and click on Layer to KML. When it opens, this layer, click on the drop down and select Gwagwalada, that is my study area. Then specify the folder where you want to save the output KML file. So let's just save it here as Gwagwalada. Then click on Save and click on OK. This will convert it to KMZ file. So it is done. Yes. So if I go to that folder, here is it. I've prepared my study area. Now let's go to Global Mapper. Global Mapper has functionality to access online resources, that is online data. So the first thing is to bring in your data, that is your study area. So I'll just click on Open Data File. Then navigate to that folder. And here is the KMZ file of my study area. So click on it and click on Open. Here is my study area. So to download the satellite image for this very area, I'll need to connect to the online resource or online data sources. So click on Connect to Online Data. It will open this page. Then I will scroll down and locate imagery. Click to expand imagery. Now we have different platforms here. For example, let's go to Landsat Global Imagery. So to download Landsat image, just select Landsat Global Imagery. Select it and then click on Next. It will bring this page. Click on Connect. So it will automatically open your browser and open Earth Explorer. So when it opens, here is my study area. And then the first thing to do is to make sure you log in to your USGS account. So by clicking on Login, so it will open the login page for you to input your details to be able to log in. If you don't have account, you can create a free account here. Just scroll down and see Create New Account. After creating it, enter your details and then click on Sign In. So it will sign you in. You can see that I'm logged in already. However, it took me to default location, which is US. So to go back to my study area, what I need to do, go back to Global Mapper and connect back to online resource. So come back to Imagery, select Landsat Global Imagery and click on Next. Then click on Connect. So it will open the USGS page again. You can see that I'm already logged in. And here is my study area. So to download satellite imagery for this location, come to Search Criteria. The first thing I'll need to set is to set the date range. So I'll scroll down and come to Date Range. So let's say I want to select 1st January 2025 to December 31st, 2025. So after setting the date range, set also the cloud cover. So I'll click on cloud cover. Let me adjust it to 10%. Then come to dataset. Then come to Landsat. Click to expand it. We have Landsat Collection 2 Level 2 and Landsat Collection 2 Level 1. So let's go for Landsat Collection 2 Level 2. And then if you want to download Landsat 7, you can download here. Likewise Landsat 8 to 9. So let's check Landsat 8 to 9. Click it and click on Result. When you click on Result, it will search for available images for the location based on the time range we have selected. and here are the available images for the time range we selected for the study area. And here you can see that we have about 10 different images available for this period. So the first thing, click on the footprint to make sure if it covers your study area. And you can see my study area, but it doesn't cover all. So which means I can't use this very particular image. Then I'll come to the second one. If I click on it, yes, this one covers my entire study area. So, and you can see the date of acquisition. You can see the dates. Now to download this image, come down a bit, you can see download button. Click on it to load the download options. So when the download option loads, click on product option to load all the options available for you. Click to expand it, and here you can see the available options. You can download individual bands or specific band of interest, and also if you want to download the whole package, that is the whole product bundle, you can also do so. So you can download each band for example, and you can also download the whole package from here. In this exercise, let's just demonstrate by downloading a particular band. For example, if I want to download, let's say band 4, so I'll click here to download band 4. So if I click here, the download will automatically start. Yes, the download has started, and it will take just few minutes depending on the strength of your network. Yes, the download is done. Now I can visualize these bands I've downloaded in any GIS software like Global Mapper. So let me close these pages. Now to visualize it, let me open Global Mapper. So but here is it, the band I just downloaded. So let's visualize it in Global Mapper. To bring it in, click on open data file. Then navigate to the folder where we have it, and here is it. Select it and click on open. Click on yes to all. Click on OK. Yes, here is it. Then let's zoom it to extent. Here is the band we downloaded for the study area. Then we can also view the properties by right clicking and click on metadata. If I click on metadata, you can see more information about this very particular band of the satellite image I downloaded. If I scroll down, you can see the resolution, which is 30 meters. And if I scroll down, you can see the CRS. You can see the datum and other informations about this image. So, but in essence, this is how to download satellite image through Global Mapper. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching.